Welcome, food lovers. Get ready to embark on a delectable journey through Europe. We will explore the diverse flavors of this continent. From the hearty dishes of Germany to the delicate pastries of France, Europe offers a feast for the senses. Join me as we uncover the secrets behind some of Europe's most iconic dishes. We will delve into their history, preparation, and cultural significance. Our first stop takes us to Italy, a land where food is not just sustenance but a way of life. Italy is a country renowned for its culinary delights, where every meal is a celebration of flavors and traditions. Let's start with the ever-popular lasagna, a dish that has won hearts worldwide. Picture layers of fresh pasta, rich bolognese sauce, and creamy bechamel sauce, all coming together in perfect harmony. Each bite is a symphony of textures and flavors, a true testament to Italian culinary artistry. Next, we have the iconic pizza Margherita, a dish that embodies simplicity and elegance. This simple yet flavorful pizza pays homage to the Italian flag with its vibrant colors. It features a thin, crispy crust topped with vibrant red tomato sauce, white mozzarella cheese, and fresh green basil, creating a perfect balance of flavors. Lasagna and pizza Margherita are not just dishes. They are symbols of Italian culture and heritage. They represent the importance of family, tradition, and using fresh, high-quality ingredients, bringing people together around the table to share in the joy of good food. Let's hop over to France, a country synonymous with culinary excellence. France is where we find coq au vin, a rustic yet elegant dish. This dish features chicken braised in red wine. It is infused with aromatic vegetables and herbs like thyme and bay leaf. For dessert, we indulge in the smooth and decadent crème brûlée. This dessert is a custard base topped with a brittle layer of caramelized sugar. The contrast between the creamy custard and the crisp caramel is simply divine. These dishes exemplify the French culinary philosophy, using simple techniques to elevate the flavors of high-quality ingredients. Spanish flavors, paella and tapas. These dishes are the heart and soul of Spanish cuisine. Our culinary adventure now takes us to Spain, a land of vibrant flavors and passionate cooks. Here we encounter paella, a dish that embodies the essence of Spanish culture. Paella is a saffron-infused rice dish, known for its rich and aromatic flavors. It is studded with various ingredients, each adding a unique taste and texture. These ingredients are often seafood, chicken, chorizo, and vegetables, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. No Spanish culinary experience is complete without tapas, the beloved small plates that bring people together. Tapas are small, savory dishes meant for sharing, perfect for social gatherings and casual meals. From patatas bravas, which are crispy potatoes with aioli, offering a delightful crunch and creamy contrast, to gambas al ajillo, or garlic shrimp, sizzling in a pan with aromatic garlic, tapas offer a taste of Spain's diverse regional cuisines, each bite telling a story of its origin. Paella and tapas represent the Spanish spirit of conviviality, encouraging people to gather, share food, and enjoy life's simple pleasures. They are more than just dishes. They are a celebration of community and tradition. German delights, Wiener Schnitzel and Bratwurst. These dishes are beloved staples in German cuisine. Prepare for hearty and satisfying fare as we journey to Germany, a country known for its rich culinary heritage and vibrant food culture. Here, we encounter the famous Wiener Schnitzel, a dish that has won hearts worldwide. Wiener Schnitzel is a thin, pan-fried veal cutlet, known for its delicate texture and rich flavor. It is coated in breadcrumbs and served with a squeeze of lemon, adding a refreshing zest to each bite. The crispy exterior gives way to a tender and flavorful interior, making it a delightful experience for the palate. Next, we have the iconic Bratwurst, another German favorite. Bratwurst is a type of German sausage, enjoyed by locals and visitors alike. It is often served in a crusty roll with mustard, making it a perfect street food option. Each region in Germany has its own variations of Bratwurst, reflecting the country's rich culinary traditions and diverse flavors. Wiener Schnitzel and Bratwurst are staples of German cuisine, often enjoyed at festivals, beer gardens, and family gatherings, bringing people together over delicious food. Greek treasures, moussaka and Greek salad. Our final destination is Greece, a land of sun-drenched islands and flavorful cuisine. We begin with moussaka. Moussaka is a layered dish. It features eggplant, ground meat, usually lamb, and a creamy bechamel sauce. The flavors meld together beautifully. No Greek meal is complete without a refreshing Greek salad. This salad bursts with fresh flavors. It typically includes tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, olives, feta cheese, and a drizzle of olive oil. Moussaka and Greek salad exemplify the Mediterranean emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients and simple yet flavorful preparations.